I know you've been hearing of a rare virus that is suddenly trending worldwide, and people are asking the scary question, which is, could Hantavirus become another global outbreak? But then, here is what you need to know: the symptoms, how it spreads, and why health experts are paying attention. So, if you are seeing me for the first time, I remain your pharmacist, Adamaka. Welcome to Aster-Carearena. We are all aware that recently, Hantavirus started trending online. This is after reports linked several cases to a cruise ship outbreak involving the Andes strain of the virus. This is to say, there are other several strains of Hantavirus. And you know what? The structure is carefully monitored by health authorities. But the good thing is that the World Health Organization have come out to say that the risk to general public remains low. But then, it's important for all of us to know that Hantavirus is a rare but serious virus, which usually spreads by rodents like rats and mice. Do you know that humans can actually become infected when they breathe in tiny particles contaminated with the rodent urine, droppings, or even saliva? The big question now is, what is Hantavirus? Hantavirus are a group of viruses that are found naturally on rodents. Come to think of it, do you know that different types exist in different parts of the world? Like in America, according to the WHO, some strain like the Hantavirus can cause a severe lung infection known as the Hantavirus pulmonary syndrome. Whereas in Europe and Asia, some strains are known to cause hemorrhagic fever and renal syndrome. And this primarily affect the kidney and the blood vessels. But the strain commonly in news in recent time, I mean in this month of May, is the Andes Hantavirus. Another question we need to ask is, how does it spread? This has been the recent question: how do you get in contact with this virus? But the most common way people get infected is through contact with infected rodents, which could be sweeping dusty areas with rat droppings, or by touching contaminated surfaces, or by breathing in contaminated air particles, and so on. Now, what are the symptoms we should actually watch out for? Before I mention the symptoms, just know that the symptom appears mostly 1 to 6 weeks after the person might have been exposed to the virus. The early symptoms sometimes look like flu, and it comes like fever, headache, body weakness, chills, muscle pain, nausea, or vomiting. You know what? As the illness worsens, some people develop things like serious breathing difficulty, low blood pressure, and even fluid buildup in the lungs. And this is why early medication attention is very important. But have you asked yourself, why is it trending now? This Hantavirus of a teen became a major topic after a cruise ship outbreak linked to multiple infection and deaths. And because of this, several countries begins to monitor passengers and contacts. Do you know that this caused fear online, especially because the virus can be deadly, and some cases involved possible human-to-human spread. And thirdly, the panic. People started remembering COVID-19 pandemic. However, World Health Organization says it is not another COVID situation, and the overall public risk is considered low. Another big question you need to ask is, how can you be protected? How do you protect yourself? Now I'm going to be giving you a simple preventive steps that matters. Keep your home clean, avoid contact with rodents, seal holes where rat enters, wear gloves and mask when cleaning dusty rodent infected area. Avoid sweeping dry rat droppings directly, but instead what you should do is for you to spray the contaminated area with disinfectant first. Allow it to soak and then clean carefully. And it's still way to like, comment, subscribe if you've not. So now there is important thing I need to let you know. It is an important fact because currently there is no widely available specific cure or vaccine for most of the hantavirus infection. Rather, the treatment focuses mainly on supportive hospital care. That is why early treatment matters because it actually improves survival chances. Hantavirus is rare, but then awareness matters. The goal here is not panic. Rather, it's understanding to stay safe and also be informed. Always rely on trusted information and not fear on social media. So do wait to like, comment, subscribe if you've not, and don't forget to share to spread the awareness. Bye from your pharmacist Adamaka.